And that is how you get effortless, beachy, curled hair using a hair straightener. Vogue. This one's just doing what it wants to do. Hi guys, we are back with another hair tutorial, but this time I have chopped all my hair off, so it's going to be focused on a lob. So if you have short hair and you want to know how to curl it with a hair straightener, I am going to show you in this video. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to section the hair off, so that way we can start on the layers on the bottom, and then we'll do the top. So that's the first thing I like to do. I like to start from the bottom and then the top. Let's just say that you've already pre-styled it, so making sure that you wash it the night before and you use some heat protection spray. Just waiting for it to heat up. Now, a little hot tip that my hairdresser recommended is to start on a lower heat. So don't go straight into a super hot temperature. Always start on a very low heat, just so you can get the rhythm. And that way you can go over it again. It's ready now. You can go over it again when the heat is at a higher temperature. So here we go. What we're gonna do is you're gonna grab, I always like to grab like a small piece. Now, this is gonna be different from my other video because she actually taught me on the bottom to do mermaid waves rather than straightaway curls. This actually balances and provides more volume for your actual curls. All right, so first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair straightener is always pointing down and the cord is always above. And then see these little grooves? You should be able to touch that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to twist, and then we're going to twist forward, twist backwards, twist forward, twist backwards, and then down. Okay, so see how that creates, let me just get that away, just a little like mermaid style wave. Now, if you have curly hair, it's probably going to be already styled that way. But if you have straight, dead hair, like moi, then this is a really good option. It's a really great option for those that want to create more volume on top before we go straight to the curls. So I'm just going to do my underlayer. Just gonna kind of slide it and twist it. Okay, I'm just going to fix up a little bit here. So there's actually many different ways that you can curl your hair. This was just a technique that my hairdresser recommended. And yeah, this just gives you a bit more grit, a bit more texture on the bottom. So then what we're going to do, sorry, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I like to make sure that everything is tidy. But as you can see, it already brings a bit more volume out and around. Now that this is ready, we're gonna do the top layer. Let's just get this out of the way so we can start with the top layer. So get my brush to make sure. I always like to brush it out so that it is a nice clean curl. I'm also going to get my other crocodile clip and I'm just going to clip it there so I know which layers we're focusing on now. All right, this is what you've all been waiting for. Again, the same technique. Always down, cord up. Remember that. Cord up, hair straightener down. And what we're going to do is we're going to chomp it down, we're going to twist, and we're going to slide. Slide it down as we're twisting and away from the face. So let's do it. All right, so grab your section, chomp it down, twist it around, cord up in the air, twisting it around and away from your face. Oh my gosh, this is really hard doing this in the phone. And we're gonna let go. And amazing, amazing. What happened to this piece here? That piece got a little wild, that's okay. We can fix that. There we go. Oh, we have another curl tutorial. Now I'm gonna continue with the rest of my hair. Once you kind of do this, you get so used to it, you don't even have to think about it. We have another curl, we have another curl. Obviously, we're not gonna keep it like this, ladies, unless that's the look that you're going for. It's certainly not a look that I wanna go for. So, chomp, twist, away from your face and always down and around. And if you have short hair, wow, this is just so easy compared to when I had hair extensions. So this is actually going to be a really quick tutorial. Oh, I see some. Okay, again, I might do it to the side. So we're chomping, we're twisting, the cord's up in the air. We can touch the little bottom piece. Oh! Okay, I need to stop talking because now, did I ruin that? Hey, that's pretty fun. That's pretty fun. You know, make it how you want to make it. I could come back in these little pieces here and fix that up. Right, so what I'm actually going to do, there's one little piece here. Oh, I guess that's the thing with short hair, they're just everywhere. All right, I'm going to show you the difference. We're going to do half the hair and then I'll finish it. So this is what it looks like. Let's take this out. Straight, natural, curly with the mermaid, like the mermaid volume underneath. So then what I would do, get my fingers, I like to naturally brush it out, scrape out those curls. And then at this point I would also add sea salt spray for a bit of texture, but for some reason this is actually looking pretty groovy. Let me just fix that up. Oh my gosh, that is such a vibe. That is like, oh, I just woke up. This whole thing is so natural. You know, like that beachy textured wave, like, oh, I might fix that a little bit just here. Just kind of come at it. There we go. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Oh, I really want to like do my whole hair. So yeah, so straight to some waves and curls. Yes! Oh, yeah! So for those that have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I truly appreciate it. And if you could give me a like and comment and let me know what you think so far. And if you're trying this with me. Alright, so now we've sectioned it off. This part is a little tricky. We're gonna bring it around so the cord isn't gonna cross over my face. So we're gonna do our mermaid little twisteroo. Now it's always gonna be, it's always gonna be a lot trickier on one side of your face. There we go. Creating that volume. It's actually really hard doing this in my phone. Oh, okay. Pump it down and twist it forward and backwards and forward. So again, we're creating a little bit of texture, a little bit of volume on the bottom. So when we come in with the curls on top, they have something delicious to bounce and sit on, which I thought was a really neat trick, you know? Now that we have that texture happening, let's go straight to the curls. By the way, I am wearing a Kmart. This is a Kmart like nightgown, like a sleeping top. All right, now we are finally at the top of the hair, and this side I really do struggle most with, and I am going to show you in my phone because this is how it is. Let's go straight into it. Hold up, down, and away from your face. So there we go. So see how this is away, the cord is up, I'm twisting it down. It's very smooth. Oh, nailed it. Look how nice my hair looks in the slide. So grab another piece. God, that was actually really stressful. Doing it in your phone, I'm not even kidding, is actually really tricky. So then away, so twist it away from your face. Your hands are gonna feel a bit funny and awkward. This is why you do it on a low heat or no heat at all until you get used to the movement. Oh, I love doing the front pieces. This is my favorite. Okay, so clamping it down and around. And there we go. Oh, look at my body angle. This is seriously, you could be posing and stretching. It's like a workout at the same time. Oh, that's so nice. I think I'm gonna do just one big one. Okay. Oh, there we go. Love this bit. And we're gonna twist it around, down. Oh my gosh, we're getting it right. There we go. I am so ready for this reveal. So now we can take the crocodile clips out. So as you can see, we haven't touched it, we haven't brushed it, we haven't done anything. This one's, we woke up like this, remember? So then we're gonna do the same. We're just gonna come in, do some nice ruffled finger movements throughout the hair. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm whispering. Oh, I really love that front curl. Oh, look at the body, look at the volume. Oh, that is amazing. And then you get some hairspray, and yeah, you could just style it however you want to come in and style it. But this is a very quick and easy way to curl your hair. So I actually like to bring a bit more hair over to one side. Oh yes, yes. A really nice like black turtleneck, maybe a red lippy, do a really nice strong eyeliner. Yeah, this is so good. So hopefully you have learned a way on how to get that beachy, messy, curly textured hair on a short style. However, you can probably still do the same technique on a longer hairstyle. You just gotta practice and give it a go. So yeah, that's it, ladies. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Oh. Peace out. We'll see you in my next video. This one's just doing what it wants to do.